Look, look. My fault. That was my fault. I got how you started. Damn, Toy Cat. You mad? Okay, you still sounded. Said Toy Cap is here. Said Toy Cap is here. At least you playing. You like to play. You like to play. What? What? I hear you. Damn. I'm so mad. It's because all right, let's record. We recording this. And I'm going back to watch every video. Toy Cap Gun is here. I told him Toy Cap Gun is here. Toy Cap Gun. Boom, 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 boom. That's what's going on. You hear it? You heard it. All right, you know what happens. All right. No, I lost one of buddy. I lost one of mine. At the beginning of this video, there was a loud strike that happened before I ended the last video. But when I started this video at the beginning, I caught, you know, some part of it while it was still going on, but I hope everything was still worth the sound. Everything is still worth the sound. We still in here. I told you, we just need some type of lightning bolt to help me record sounds. To record sounds. You hear me? And we good. We good. You know what I'm saying? Look, everything's wrong with the phone. If you're running out of memory storage, you know, when I get ready to capture the next video, it be thunderstorms be sounding already. A toy cat. You hear toy cat? It's toy cat going on. Toy cat. What's going on there? Okay, let's let's, let's get it going. Let's get it. Let's get it on. Watch for something happens. All right, I hear you from far away.